guys, welcome back. It's Cute Renee here. Like, comment, subscribe. Today I was supposed to be making doing strawberries with whipped cream. Do it for tomorrow. I'm gonna do a Burger King salad for dinner. Here's my ranch dressing. Here's my salad. I put the croutons on myself. And to drink, you know I love my ice drinks, but I want to get something really good that I love. They're frozen Coke. I got one of those. It's so hot, and I need something to cool me down. This girl's hot. All right, the top back on my salad. All right. Shake, shake, shake. Take the top off. I haven't had a salad in a while. I'm due for a salad. Chicken and salad. They put cheese on my salad. They had put tomatoes. I don't really like tomatoes. Makes your salad like soggy. I remember I ordered a Subway salad from them. Uber Eats, alright? So I ordered salad, right? I didn't know that spinach meant salad, like lettuce. Because when I got my salad, it was only like cucumber, red onion, and pepper. What else I put on it? Cheese and chicken. That was it. Oh, and cucumber. I was like, where the lettuce at? So they need to have like another they need to have like another button for like lettuce, because I see that they forgot about lettuce, you know. Or I would assume that they would know that if you're getting a salad, you'd want salad. Um, to help with my diet, I try to drink a lot of lean shakes in the morning. In the morning time, I drink lean shakes. And the flavor I like right now is cookies and cream. You're supposed to, I mean, you could drink it with water. You can add, they say you could add yogurt to it. Because it's like, I mean, when I get the bottled kind, it doesn't taste as good to me. So I add lactose milk to mine to make it thicker. I might add a little peanut butter to it sometimes. It's not bad though. It's so hot, and it's really just helping me. I occasionally get a slushie every once in a while, and it just helps a lot. I mean, it's hot. I have to start getting me some, like a machine, like an ice machine that I can crush my ice and make my own slushies, because, like, over juice, basically. It's the same thing. Or over, like, diet soda or something like that. You can do the same thing. Make a slushie. It doesn't have to be, there's so much sugar, you know. I don't know. For me, when I eat, I'm like an emotional eater. So, like, I'm sad, I eat. I'm mad, I eat. Happy, I'm back on my grind of eating right. there's this movie on Netflix called The Umbrella Academy. It had one episode, like one series. Now I'm watching episode 2. It's just every time I watch it, I just get more and more glued to the like screen. I can't wait for if they're gonna have a third one, because honestly, the second one is so good. It's like you keep watching it or whatever. And then there's another movie I'm watching on there too. Oh yeah, check out Warrior Nun. It is really good. Warrior and Nun. That was a good movie too. Yeah, there's some scary parts in there, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna tell you about it, because if you haven't seen it, I can't tell you. Let me see. The Travelers. That movie is crazy. It has like a series or whatever. That one's good too. I don't secretly like watching scary movies, but only in the daytime. I don't watch it at night because it freaks me out. I wish they made a salad that had grilled chicken on it instead of fried chicken. Like a tender. I get that. It's really easy to eat. It's a very tasty salad. And you get salad on it. So, when I go do my grocery shopping now, I'll try to get more like berries and strawberries and I got bacon that's like low sodium. I usually just bake my bacon now because it's way easier and it's way healthier than to fry it. I try to eat smaller portions every time I eat or anything. I usually put like, I get like a little bag and I put my snacks in the bag and I'm like, okay, this is what I can have. And I count it out and I say, okay, if this baked chips or whatever, it say like 15 I can have, I'll have maybe 10 or 12. Same thing goes for like if I want something sweet or whatever the case. I try to buy like kid size snacks like you get from the store for the kids. I get that for myself. Yogurts, I kind of space them out. Today was a good day. I did my tie-dye shirts. I'm gonna wash them. And I'm gonna show you what they look like and take pictures and show you what they look like. I had lunch with you guys. I didn't have breakfast, but I had lunch with you guys. I had a sandwich. Then now I have dinner at a reasonable time. 7:53, about to be 8 o'clock, and I'm almost done anyway. I think I'm gonna start doing this from now on, eating my dinner before 8, because, you know, digestion and all that. But I've ate majority of my salad. Tomorrow's another day. I want everybody to know, please be safe out there. Wear your masks. Like, comment, subscribe. And more videos are coming your way. Peace. I'm out. Deuces.